Here's a brand new feature in YouTube, which is kind of cool. Over on the left side, click copyright. Right here. And then answer yes. And then what's going to happen is it's going to display videos that people have copied off you. So for example, here, this particular channel has 470 subscribers. It used 60% of my bunker video. This guy used 70% of my lodge cast iron video. This guy only used 30% of my bunker video. These ones actually used 100%. So basically these are verbatim. They literally downloaded the video. They uploaded it to their channel, which is a dead channel. And don't do any of the work at all. Is what they've done. Now you can tell from a channel how many views. I mean, this guy's not bad. He's got 17,000 subs, but only 100 views. So something doesn't jar right here. My guess is those subs are not real. So you can actually request removal of a video if they've used your video without permission, or they haven't gotten a signed contract or paid you or whatever. And you'll do that by hitting the exclamation mark. Where it says name, use your real name. You can't just use a username. And make sure you fill out the information properly. But now YouTube allows you to click copyright, and you can see if anybody's downloading or using your videos. I think that's pretty cool. Catch you guys on the next one.